Hello everyone, hi, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. You're watching Crime Tech English. I welcome all of you to Crime Tech family and I hope everyone part of this family is doing well and fine. Mehul Choksi is one character which everyone is interested about. Right from India, right from all the Indian citizen, you, me, and I think even the citizens of Antigua and Dominica. So he's a very interesting character. And if you remember, ladies and gentlemen, when I was speaking about Mehul Choksi 2 days back, then I had said that this case might get stuck into legalities. And just a while back, I got a confirmation through my sources that now Mehul Choksi is not coming to India at least for 1 month. There is a high possibility that he will stay in Dominican police custody. He will stay in Dominica, but he's not going to Antigua or he's not coming back to India. Now, why the case is stuck into legality? What does it mean for India? Will he ever come to India or not? Or will he be deported from Dominica to India after 1 month? All these questions are very important and I thought we should speak about it. We should try to understand what is happening. And I have the entire detail of what happened before the Dominican High Court today, what happened yesterday, and what is going to happen in future. That I am not going to predict. It will be based on the information which I have, the court applications which has been filed by the Dominican authorities and the and the lawyers of Mehul Choksi. So first of all, let me start with what happened in the court today. So the Dominica High Court was hearing this plea filed by Mehul Choksi's lawyer. It was expected that the court will announce a verdict in the case, an order in the case, but the matter was adjourned. Now what this plea is all about, I will try to make it simpler for you because it's very technical in terms of legal language. So I'll make it simple for you. So now this case which is going on at the Dominican High Court is based on the application filed by Mehul Choksi's lawyer. Mehul Choksi's lawyers filed an application saying that Mehul Choksi was illegally arrested by the police of Dominica. This was his appeal. Now, when court was hearing the matter, then when it was assumed that when court will give its verdict that whether he was arrested illegally or legally, because he is not a citizen of Antigua, the court will have to decide that this person should be sent back to Antigua or should be sent back to India, and the 8-member team is already in India to get back Mehul Choksi. So the court heard the arguments yesterday. Briefly, I will tell you what the arguments were. The Dominican High Court said that this person is not citizen of our country. We should not entertain his plea. He has no fundamental rights here, so he should be sent back to India and his plea should be rejected. This was the plea by the Dominican public prosecutor. Now there was an application which was filed on behalf of India by the public prosecutor of Dominica. In the application, India had argued on 3 points that why he should be sent back to India. First, he is an Indian citizen. Mehul Choksi never completed the formalities to surrender his Indian citizenship when he was awarded Antiguan citizenship in November 2017. To back this theory, they had PAN card, Aadhaar card and ration card of Mehul Choksi. Active, all of them are active. All these identity cards are active. Apart from that, the second was the criminal record of Mehul Choksi. What Enforcement Directorate and the Central Bureau of Investigation told the court through the Dominican prosecutor that this person, Mehul Choksi, who is in your custody, is mastermind of Punjab National Bank fraud case worth rupees 13,500 crore. This person has bribed the Punjab National Bank officials only to get more money, and once he got the money in his account through his companies, diamond companies, then he fled from country. So he is criminal by nature. This was the second point. And the third point was the most important one. There is an Interpol notice against Mehul Choksi. So all these points were raised and told to the Dominican High Court. Antigua also made a submission saying that this person who is in your custody got our citizenship based on forged document. We do not want this person back in our country because this person is disgrace to our nation and he should be sent back to India. Now, on all these 3 points, India was expecting that the verdict will come in their favor. So, what the court did yesterday, it concluded the arguments. And when the arguments were concluded, the court said tomorrow the court will pronounce the order. The judge said, I will pronounce the order. Now, there was a bright chance that India might have got Mehul Choksi today. But in yesterday's hearing, interestingly, there was another application moved by Mehul Choksi's lawyer. And during the argument, what they said that India is not a party in this case. This case is for illegal entry into Dominica. So the court has to decide whether he entered legally or illegally, and whatever the courts decide, he should be sent back to the country where he came from, that is Antigua. So this was their argument. Apart from that, they also moved a plea before the court saying that Mehul Choksi has not been produced before a magistrate since the time he has been arrested. According to Dominican law, he should be presented before a magistrate within 72 hours of his arrest. In India, it is 24 hours, but in Dominica, it is 72 hours. So this plea was filed by the lawyers of Mehul Choksi. It was a delay tactics, and it worked. Honestly, I will say it worked. It worked in favor of Mehul Choksi. So when the court heard this matter, the court ordered that Mehul Choksi should be produced before the magistrate court. He was produced before the magistrate court on a wheelchair, and when he was produced, then he pleaded not guilty to the charges. He said that I have not illegally come to your country. I have not illegally entered to your country. I was abducted, tortured, given electric shocks, and then I was arrested by Dominican authorities. So I should be granted bail. The Dominican authorities, public prosecutor, they argued before the court that this person entered illegally, first of all. Second, he should not be given bail because he is a flight risk. There is an Interpol notice against this person. And the third point was that if the person is granted bail, because he has no ties in Dominica, he has no properties, he has no money invested in Dominica, this person might flee from Dominica. So he should not be granted bail, and the court rejected and adjourned the matter till June 14. So when High Court was hearing this matter, at the back of the mind, at the back of judge's mind, it might have been that when this matter is pending before a magistrate court, Mehul Choksi cannot be sent to any country till the time decision is not made by the magistrate court. So this matter has now been adjourned, and the next tentative date is around July 1. And in between, on June 14, the magistrate court will again hear Mehul Choksi's case, in which the court will decide whether he entered into the country legally or illegally. And again, if the decision is made on then the Dominica High Court will have to decide to which country he should be sent. Now, the most important one, will he be sent back to India or will he be sent back to Antigua? What about the team, which is in Dominica? So, the Indian team which is in Dominica, possibly they are coming back very soon to India. In the private jet they went. And apart from that, India still has a bright chance of getting back Mehul Choksi from Dominica. Now in this entire narrative, in this entire drama, you can say, or action regarding Mehul Choksi, there will be many people who will say that this is a big victory for Mehul Choksi. But this is a big victory for India. Why I am telling you, why I am saying this, to be precise, is because remember when he was in Antigua, then there were two cases. First of all, regarding the citizenship, and second was the extradition process. Now, extradition case was still pending. And my friends, in any extradition case, the matter was first being heard before the magistrate court. So in the lower court, when the matter is being heard, whatever the court decides, for example, court decides to extradite Mehul Choksi back to India, then Mehul Choksi will have option of appealing before the High Court. When he will appeal before the High Court, even if he loses, then again he will appeal before the Supreme Court. So the matter may drag on for years and years, but now, after all this drama, whatever people say, but I think India has done a fabulous job. Now he is in Dominica, a country where he is not citizen, a country where he is not at all a person with fundamental right. So Mehul Choksi is in a country where he is being called illegal, and whenever the matter of his illegal entry ends, it may happen in a month or 2 months, and the maximum punishment in that case may be around 2 months or 3 months, not more than that. Even a person can pay fine. But about the deportation, the court will have to decide. So maybe it may be a long wait for India, but this long wait will be for a month and max to max 3 months. If Mehul Choksi stays in Dominica, then India will have a bright chance, and that is why I am saying it is a victory. It is a victory for the Indian government. It is a victory for the Indian agencies, and for Mehul Choksi, it is a setback because the most unsafest person for Mehul Choksi at this point of time is Dominica, and the safest person for him is Antigua. He will try his best to go back to Antigua. There will be many applications which will be filed by the lawyers of Mehul Choksi because they want to delay this matter. Purposely, they want to delay this matter. They want to delay it because if the matter is delayed, then they will have option of, formalizing a strategy. And if they have a strategy, they will try to implement that strategy to make sure that Mehul Choksi is back to Antigua or to a safe country. At least he should not send back to India. This is what their strategy is. But I'm sure India is going to keep a close eye. I spoke to a CBI officer, who is looking after this investigation, and what he told me that they have been given to understand by the Indian government that they are not going to leave any stone unturned to get Mehul Choksi. There was a statement from Ministry of External Affairs today, and the MEA also said that India is committed to get back Mehul Choksi from Dominica. So I think we are on a right direction, and soon Mehul Choksi will be back to India. But as far as Mehul Choksi's case is concerned, if there is any other important development, then I will engage in a conversation involving Mehul Choksi. Otherwise, I will move on to another crime story, and I will request you to let me know if there is any interesting crime story if you want me to tell about. Apart from crime story, if you want me to talk about any other thing, do let me know. I will do my research. I will speak to the experts. I will speak to the officers. Whatever may it require, I will get the best research. I'll speak to the best people, and then I will try to come up with the best story I can. So thank you so much for watching this, and tomorrow again we'll meet, and I hope all of you are doing fine. I want all of you to stay safe, stay indoor. Thank you so much.